So we got express offers. So now let's get back to the documents. So remember, reel you back in. You got 3 offers when you call for sale by owner or expired. Cash offer, I just showed you how it works. All the paperwork's in here on what to do, blah, blah, blah. It's all in here right here under documents. All you got to do is it tells you exactly what to send. And here's all the documents right here. 2 documents, 1 and 2. These are the only 2 documents you need, right? When you get the express offer. And then, my real estate team, this is what you have access to. Just go in here when you have a listing appointment, just click on ATT seller listing, because y'all know my brain works where I have everything organized. And your first offer is the cash offer. You already know what to do with that. I just showed you. The second thing you have is the traditional real estate sale, where 100% guaranteed, guaranteed to sell your home, or we make 0 commission, right? Here, I got all the forms in here for express offers. That's in, you don't even have to go to the other database. I got them all ready to go. Click, already PDF'd out, and all you got to do is add a signature. It's all right here. Get on the brochure, right? Everything. All right, it's all here. The third offer was if you want to sell your home on your own, you can get a for sale by owner checklist. Here it is. Boom. You can get this for sale by owner checklist that I made. Boom, it's real easy. Guess what I did? It took me so long to make this. Guess how long it took me? Like 5 minutes. I found somebody that I liked online and just copied it and put my stuff on it. Okay, for sale by owner step-by-step checklist. Okay.